Need more money in 2023? Are you looking for a way to make money from the comfort of your own home? Look no further, because affiliate marketing is the answer you've been searching for. With the rise of e-commerce and the internet, affiliate marketing has become a lucrative business opportunity for anyone looking to make extra money. One of the best things about affiliate marketing is that you don't need any prior experience or special skills. All you need is a passion for the product you're promoting and a willingness to learn. So whether you're a stay-at-home mom, a student, or a retiree, affiliate marketing is a flexible and scalable way to make money online. To get started, you'll need to sign up for an affiliate program with a company that offers products you're interested in promoting. You can find affiliate programs in any industry, from beauty and fashion to technology and travel. Once you've chosen a program, you'll be given a unique affiliate link to share with your audience. You earn a commission when someone clicks on your link and makes a purchase. One of the most effective ways to promote affiliate products is through content creation. You can write blog posts, create videos, or share your affiliate link on social media. The key is to create valuable content that your audience will find helpful and informative. By building a relationship with your audience, you'll be able to drive more sales and earn more money as an affiliate marketer. Affiliate marketing is the perfect opportunity if you're looking for a way to make money from home. With no special skills or experience required, turning your passion into profit has never been easier. So why not try it today and start your journey to financial freedom? If you like this video, please like and subscribe below. Thanks for watching.